If you're a homeowner who is having difficulty selling, know that you're not alone. Fortunately, there are ways to combat this issue, and we're here today to talk about them. Here are the top 3 reasons why your home may not be selling and what to do about them. So the first reason may be pricing problems. This is a very common issue, as many homeowners price their homes too high in hopes that it'll leave room for them to negotiate down. However, this may end up turning buyers away and losing you money in the end. Today's buyers are getting smarter, so listen to the feedback that you're getting in open houses and showings, as you may find the common problem is the price. In many cases, you need to lower your price a little, and our team can help you do that appropriately based on comparable homes. The second reason might be product problems. Sometimes there may be a problem with your home. Again, listen to what people say at your open houses and showings and respond to the feedback. Maybe there are renovations or updates you need to make. However, sometimes it can be as simple as decluttering to show that the home has more space. Also, a common problem is staging. The correct staging, including curb appeal, decorations, paint, and much more, will help make a huge difference. And the third reason may be marketing problems. The truth is that you won't sell your home if buyers don't even hear about it. Make sure you're working with a great agent like our team who has top-notch marketing plans. The majority of consumers are starting their search online, so make sure you have an excellent listing. Also, work with someone who knows how to get your listing seen by the most people, including through multiple social media channels. So if you're looking to sell your home and you're looking for an agent or team that can help you navigate around the potential pricing, product, and marketing problems, then look no further than us and the Holt Real Estate team. We have a great marketing plan. We're pros when it comes to pricing properties, and we know how to help people get their home set up to look the absolute best for the market. So simply give our team a call at 608-345-6594, or you can always email me directly at jdholt@kw.com, and we can set up a no-obligation consultation to discuss your needs and make sure that you have the right information to get your home sold fast. Once again, thank you for taking the time to watch our video today, and be well.